And now, it's time for America's favorite psychopaths, Sergeant Grinder's Suicide Squad.
In the last installment of the recently declassified Grit Grinder files, we revealed how Grit and his men learned that the British Prime Minister was being held in the castle Graftskinner, 15 danger-filled miles from Munich. Having survived the perils of a German public lavatory, they now set out on the next stage of their scarifying mission. Squad, halt! Right, men. If we're gonna get past those crouch roadblocks, we'd better get into disguise.
But Sarge, we got through Munich okay.
Listen, Bridges, ya Bronx bonehead. I didn't think of it then, but I have now, which means the Krauts probably have too, so we won't take any chances. Right, men? Get into those costumes, and we'll merge into the background like real Nazis.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I say.
What the...
Shucks, Sarge, don't you think it's gonna look a bit strange with 10 orangutans marching through the heart of Germany?
What? Oh, shit. I'm gonna shoot that supply sergeant. These are the disguises from my last mission.
What we gonna do, Sarge?
Hey, sounds like a bunch of those Austrian mountaineer pansies. You know, the ones in the funny-looking pants.
Lederhosen.
What?
The pants, they're called lederhosen.
Yeah, well, let's give them some lead in exchange for their lederhosen. Prepare an ambush. Okay, let them have it. Let's get it right this time. Valderie,
Valderie,
Valderar,
Valderar,
Valderie,
Valderie,
Valderar,
Not far away, at a German checkpoint, two guards are listening to their Führer speak.
Build a wall, a big, beautiful wall, all along the border to keep the Englanders out. And who will pay for the wall? England! Yeah, England will pay for the wall.
Build the wall! Build the wall! Build the wall! Build the wall!
We will make Germany great again.
Build the wall! Build the wall! Build the wall! Build the wall!
What is that terrible noise, Herr Oberleutnant?
You Schwein, that is a Führer! How dare you!
Nein, that other terrible noise. Listen!
It sounds like someone impersonating a bunch of those Austrian mountaineer pansies. Halt! Identify yourselves! Jake.
Oh, we're nothing but a bunch of Austrian mountaineer pansies.
Mountaineers, huh? Well, why are there guns, bombs and bazookas sticking out of your backpacks?
Well, actually, officer, we're SS men disguised as American soldiers, poorly disguised as Austrian mountaineers, in order to test your readiness, and I must say, you've passed brilliantly.
Oh, well, dankeschön. You can't be too careful these days with all these...
Listen, Herman, we haven't got time for jabber. We've got to check out another 10 outfits like yours before chow time. Right, men, let's move out.
Hey, wait a minute! Why is one of your pure alien SS men a Negro?
Oh, shit. I forgot about Pompey. Yeah, I was wondering about him. We picked him up about 5 miles back. Said he was hitchhiking to Alabama.
Hey, I ain't no spy.
Tie him up!
Sarge, you gotta help me.
Well, Heinrich, that's a few more brownie points you've earned for being alert. Now, if it's all the same, we'll be on our way. Come on, men, let's move out.
Hey, you can't
Shove it, all of you. I said move out.
Firing squad, prepare to execute the prisoner.
Sarge, you can't leave me like this.
Ready! Aim!
Will Pompey survive the firing squad? Will the men locate the Castle Grafskinner and free its famous hostage? Should the U.S. Army train its men in community singing? Find out in the next 8-tonal episode of Sergeant Grit Grinder's Suicide Squad. Grit Grinder's Suicide Squad was a miracle production. Remember, folks, if it's good, it's a miracle.
Und wir stellen's auf in